Welcome everyone, and thank you so much for joining in this very interesting update unfolding right now here in price action of Bitcoin. As we can see guys, Bitcoin in the immediate short term looks like showing weakness, but I have been very clear with you guys. Though Bitcoin in the immediate short term could show weakness, do not let this chart fool you. It could be just a temporary weakness, and price of Bitcoin after that could show a continuation in this manner. I mean, higher highs, higher lows continuation in this manner. And why? Because if we monitor this price action using this Williams alligator indicator, in history, we have found out whenever the price of Bitcoin before turning very bullish, what has happened here. If you monitor this Williams alligator indicator, you can see guys, every time whenever the price was in an uptrend, we have always seen this bullish crossover where green line starts appearing at the top and blue line at the bottom, and during this bullish cross pullback always found support at this Williams alligator indicator, and right after that a continuation of an uptrend. You can see another bullish cross, green line started appearing at the top, blue line at the bottom, and pullback was a temporary pullback before another parabolic move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that if you look in our case, Bitcoin each and every time whenever we have formed a bullish cross, green line at the top, blue line at the bottom, pullback was looked as a temporary pullback, and price after that has shown another bullish continuation. So if you monitor this price action, you can see this is another bullish cross, and same line which during downtrend acts as resistance. You can see this trend line acts as support during uptrend. So that's why, since the price is above it, since this is a bullish cross, now any sort of a pullback, this trend line here will be acting as support around 118, 119,000, and right after that a continuation of an uptrend. But we are aware it's not just only this Williams alligator indicator holding us at the moment. Parallelly, we also have support line from this central line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band. Yes guys, even here if you look at this in a daily time frame, the upper band from this Bollinger Band got broken, which only happens during uptrend. Each and every time whenever we have seen price breaking out of the upper band, in more than 90% of cases it has resulted in a bullish continuation, and pullback was just a temporary pullback. Why? Because this central line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band will be holding us just like here. If you go back, you can see just like here, this central line or the basis line from this Bollinger Band during uptrend also acts as support. So that's why we now have support from this basis line or the central line from this Bollinger Band, support from this Williams alligator indicator, and parallelly we also have support from this CPR indicator. Yes guys, this CPR indicator is one of the best indicator. This is a leading indicator as well, and it gives us information beforehand. So according to this leading indicator, Bitcoin shows furthermore weakness. Where is our next support? Our next support is this R1 line around $118,000, $119,000. So we have additional support from this Bollinger Band. We have additional support from this Williams alligator indicator. Now we also have support from this leading indicator, the CPR indicator around this R1 line. So what does this mean? Pullback or a retracement. Let's take this Fibonacci line. You can see even the 0.5 Fibonacci line sits around 117,400, 117,500. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that Bitcoin has a lot of support lying around this price range. So any sort of a pullback, as long as we remain around this key trend line, means just a temporary pullback right before continue with this uptrend, higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern type of formation. And why? Because parallelly, if you have been following me for a while, I have been very clear. Bitcoin parallelly also looks like following this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern. And according to this 1, 2, 3 reversal pattern, Bitcoin has officially broken out of this neckline, which is resulting in a bullish continuation. But even during this bullish continuation, if you monitor this price action carefully, you can see after a bullish breakout, what followed there? A pullback, weakness, temporary weakness, few ups and down before continuing with this new bullish move. So what I'm trying to pinpoint is that Bitcoin in our case has a strong support from this Williams alligator indicator, support from this Bollinger Band, support from our leading indicator. So any sort of a pullback, just like what happened here, it could be just a temporary pullback, and price of Bitcoin after that, right, could continue in this manner. So please do not let this chart fool you. A pullback doesn't mean we are bearish, because Bitcoin parallelly along with this 1 2 3 reversal pattern is also following this symmetrical triangle, a bullish symmetrical triangle. So according to this bullish symmetrical triangle as well, pullback doesn't mean we are bearish. Our price target here to the upside is still open around $135,000. So I personally think Bitcoin, after some sideways movement, after some weakness, it is going to continue with this uptrend, and Bitcoin will make a new all-time high around this area, and only after that decide another direction. But until then, a pullback could be just the buying opportunity. So do not let this chart fool you. So guys, these were some of the quick update that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed this $30,050 rewards, welcome rewards from Bybit, then definitely check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility and trade with free money, then definitely check the video description. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.